Your iPad holds your important files, photos, and settings. In this video, we'll show you how to back up your iPad without iCloud to keep your data safe. Part 1. Can you back up iPad without iCloud? Low on iCloud storage or unreliable Wi-Fi? In this video, we'll show you how to back up your iPad to a computer, external hard drive, or USB flash drive. No internet needed. Part 2. How to back up iPad without iCloud. Method 1. Back up iPad using iTunes. Connect your iPad with its USB cable. Tap Trust if prompted. Open iTunes, click the iPad icon, and select Backup Now. Method 2. Backup iPad using Google Drive. Download the Google Drive app from the App Store. Open it and sign in with your Google account. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner, then go to Settings. Select Backup and tap Start Backup to begin. Method 3. Backup iPad with Assistant for iOS. The best way to back up an iPad to a computer is to use Mobikin Assistant for iOS, which is a professional iPad or iPhone data backup tool to help you back up all or part of iPad data with simple clicks. No need to use iCloud or iTunes. Step 1. Launch Assistant for iOS and connect iPad to PC. Install and launch Assistant for iOS on your computer. Connect your iPad to the computer via USB cable. Once the software detects your iPad information will be displayed in the main interface. Step 2. Scan the iPad for specific files. All your iPad data will be organized in a menu on the left side of the program screen. When you click on a category, the program will quickly scan your device. On the right side, you can easily browse and select the files you need. Step 3. Start to back up iPad to computer. Once you've selected the files you want to transfer, click the Export button at the top. Choose a folder on your computer to save the files. After the transfer is complete, you can open the folder to check your saved files. Open the program, go to Super Toolkit, and select iTunes Backup and Restore. Choose your iPad, pick a save location, and click Backup. Keep your iPad connected until it's done. Method 4. Backup iPad with Finder. Connect your iPhone to your Mac, open Finder, and select your iPhone. Under General, choose Backup All Data and click Backup Now. For extra security, check Encrypt Local Backup.